हेलो स्टूडेंट, आज हम एमएससी प्रीवियस में फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री के टॉपिक लिंडेमान थ्योरी के बारे में इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे, जो कि यूनिमोलिकुलर गैसियस रिएक्शन के लिए यूज की जाती है। वी नो दैट ए बायोमोलर रिएक्शन कैन बी अंडरस्टैंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ कोलिजन थ्योरी बिकॉज व्हेन टू molecules are collide with each other, then their relative kinetic energy exceed the threshold energy due to breaking of bonds and the formation of new bonds take place. But for unimolecular reaction like A convert into product where A acquire the necessary activation energy by colliding with another molecule, the mechanism of this reaction can be explained by Lindemann theory, Hinshelwood theory, RRK theory, but here we discuss only Lindemann theory of unimolecular reaction. So, according to this theory, a unimolecular reaction proceeds by the following mechanism. Here, A star is the energized molecule, which in the first step, the energized molecule is produced by collision with another molecule. In this condition, the kinetic energy of the second molecule is transferred into the vibrational energy of the first molecule, and some of the molecule may possess sufficient energy to pass into the energy barrier and convert into the product without receiving additional energy. And the rate constant for the energization step is K1. After the production of A star, it can either be de-energized back to A with rate constant K-1 by collisions. In each case, its vibrational energy is transferred to the kinetic energy of A molecule or be decomposed या isomerized to product. In second step with rate constant K2. The rate of energized molecule to convert into the product is slow as compared to the rate with which active molecules are deactivated by collisions. In Lindemann theory, at low pressure, this equation show second order reaction, but at high pressure, this equation show first order reaction. So the rate of the reaction is given by rate is equal to minus dA upon dt बराबर K2 into concentration of energized molecule A star. Applying the steady state approximation to the energized species A star, then dA star upon dt बराबर K1 कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ ए का स्क्वायर माइनस यहाँ इसका डिकम्पोजिशन हो रहा माइनस K-1 A star concentration of A star into concentration of A minus K2 concentration of A star is equal to जी मैकेनिज्म के द्वारा हमने डी ए स्टार अपॉन डी टी बराबर 0 ज्ञात किया. Now solve this equation K1. So we get K1 concentration of A का स्क्वायर बराबर K-1 concentration of A into concentration of A star plus K2 concentration of A star. So here we get concentration of energized species A star बराबर K1 concentration of A का स्क्वायर upon K-1 concentration of A plus K2. Now put the value of concentration of A star from equation 2 to equation first. So we get rate is equal to minus dA upon dt बराबर K2 K1 concentration of A का स्क्वायर upon K-1 concentration of A plus K2. This equation shows that the rate law given by this equation has no definite order, so two limiting cases take place. First, if K-1 concentration of A is greater than K2, then this equation convert into rate is equal to K2 K1 concentration of A का स्क्वायर अपॉन K-1 concentration of A, या rate is equal to K2 K1 upon K minus 1 into concentration of A. This shows that rate equation for a first order reaction take place in this condition. So, in a gaseous state, this is the high pressure limit because at very high pressure, concentration of A is very large. So that in this condition, K minus 1 concentration of A is greater than K2. So, in this condition, reaction is first order reaction. In second case, if K2 is very greater than K minus 1 concentration of A ho, then equation third is convert into rate is equal to K2 K1 concentration of A का स्क्वायर अपॉन K2 या रेट बराबर K1 concentration of A का स्क्वायर. This shows the rate equation for a second order reaction. This is the low pressure limit. Because in this condition, the collision cannot maintain a supply of energized molecule. So, in this condition, the rate of the reaction will depend only upon the rate of activation, and it is proportional of the square of the concentration of reactivity molecules. So the reaction becomes follow second order kinetics. So, in Lindemann theory, at low pressure, second order kinetics show, and at high pressure, the rate becomes follow first order kinetics. So, the experimental rate is defined as rate बराबर K unimolecular reaction into concentration of A, where K uni बराबर unimolecular rate constant. So, comparing equation 3 and 6, we get K uni बराबर K1 K2 concentration of A upon K minus 1 concentration of A plus K2 या K1 K2 upon K minus 1 plus K2 upon concentration of A बराबर K dash, where K dash बराबर K uni बराबर unimolecular rate constant. So, in Lindemann theory, first step is activated and deactivated step, and second step is decomposition step. Now we discuss limitation of Lindemann theory. According to equation K uni बराबर K dash बराबर K1 K2 upon K minus 1 plus K2 upon concentration of A बराबर K2 K1 upon K minus 1 upon 1 plus K2 upon K minus 1 into concentration of A. According to equation 8, the plot of the first order rate constant K dash versus concentration of A is a hyperbola like this. So, the rate constant K dash is a constant in the higher concentration range but falls off at lower concentration. When K minus 1 A बराबर K2 हो, तो in this condition equation 8 becomes K dash बराबर K1 K2 upon 2 K2 into concentration of A या K dash बराबर K dash infinity upon 2. So in this condition K dash बराबर K1 by 2 concentration of A बराबर K dash infinity by 2. So we can write the concentration at which this is true as concentration of A 1 by 2. So here we get concentration of A 1 by 2 बराबर K2 upon K minus 1 बराबर K infinity dash upon K1. So the value of K dash infinity is an experimental quantity. It could be written as Z1 exponential minus E1 upon RT, which is calculated by collision theory, where Z1 is the collision frequency and E1 is the activation energy. But experimentally, it was found that the values of concentration of A 1 by 2 were always smaller than those estimated in this way. Thus, the error must lies in the estimation of K1 rather than k infinity days. बिकॉज एक्सपेरिमेंटली हमने जो ज्ञात किया कि कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ ए 1/2 स्मॉलर है, सो इन दिस कंडीशन क्या होगा, k1 ग्रेटर देन होगा किसे, k डेस इन्फिनिटी से। k डेस इन्फिनिटी क्या है, एक एक्सपेरिमेंटल क्वांटिटी है जो कि कैलकुलेट की जाती है Z1 एक्सपोनेंशियल माइनस E1 अपॉन RT से। सो हेयर error must lie in the estimation of k1 rather than k days infinity. Another difficulty also obtained in with the Lindemann mechanism from equation 7 k uni बराबर k days बराबर k1 k2 concentration of A upon k minus 1 concentration of A plus k2, then k days बराबर k1 k2 upon k minus 1 plus k1 A, या इसको रिवर्स करने पर 1 अपॉन k1 डेज बराबर k माइनस 1 अपॉन k1 k2 प्लस k1 कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ A. नाउ प्लॉटिंग ए ग्राफ बिटवीन 1 अपॉन k1 डेज एंड 1 अपॉन कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ A, देन वी गेट ए स्ट्रेट लाइन. Theoretical we get a straight line, but experimental we like this curve. So in this condition deviation from linearity have been found. So Lindemann, so here two limitation of Lindemann theory discuss here. In first limitation, k days versus concentration of A is a hyperbola. This is applicable for higher concentration range but falls off at lower concentration. In second, we plot a graph between 1 upon k days versus 1 upon concentration of A, then theoretically we get a straight line, but experimentally this type of curve is obtained, so deviation from linearity obtained. And at low pressure, Lindemann theory के according unimolecular reaction show second order reaction, and at higher pressure first order reaction kinetics obtained.